Hey there, fellow Google Docs enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something that's going to revolutionize how you organize your documents, creating collapsible sections in Google Docs for 2025. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by long docs, this feature is a game changer. It lets you hide and show sections with just a click, keeping everything neat and focused. Let's dive right in. First off, why should you care? Collapsible sections help you manage complex documents like reports, outlines, or study guides by allowing readers to expand only the parts they need. It's perfect for 2025's fast-paced world, where efficiency is key. To get started, open a new or existing Google Doc. Make sure you're using the latest version. Head to the top menu and check for updates if needed. Step 1. Structure your document with headings. Highlight your text and select a heading style from the toolbar, like Heading 1 for main sections or Heading 2 for subsections. This creates an automatic outline. Next, go to the View menu and ensure Show Document Outline is enabled. You'll see a sidebar with your headings listed. Now, for the magic. In 2025, Google Docs has enhanced this feature. Right-click on a heading in the outline sidebar and select Make Collapsible. This will turn that section into a drop-down. You can also use the new Format options under the Tools menu to customize how these sections behave, add icons or colors for better visibility. Once you've set it up, test it out. Click the arrow next to a heading to collapse or expand the section. It's that simple. Pro tip: if you're collaborating, make sure to share your doc and let others know about these collapsible elements to avoid confusion. There you have it. Collapsible sections made easy. This feature will save you tons of time and keep your docs looking professional. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.